Okay. Okay, Karen, shut up. Mama's filming. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all slept well. Today I'm going to be contacting the spirits. I hope we get Elvis. Now feel free to comment down below what spirit you hope we get. Elvis. Now I did all my research. I just googled all of it, all about the ghosts. I watched so many episodes of Ghost Hunters you would not believe. But I cannot find, for the life of me, a squeegee board. But I did find some Windex. So hopefully that's the same thing. We're going to try it out. We're also going to be lighting some incense because I heard that ghosts like the smell. Even though my cats, they just hate it. They just hate the smell of incense, so fuck them, right? What you're going to do, if you've never lighted an incense before, you're going to take the stick, you're going to take your handy dandy little lighter, you're going to turn on the fire, and then you're just going to light it on fire. Like that. And then you wait, and then it should. There we go. Now you got yourself some incense. Learn something new every day, right? So now that we have incense burning in an unventilated area, we can get on with the show. Okay. It's getting a little smoky in here. I can't see a gosh darn thing, it's just so smoky in here with all that incense. Yes, Karen, it's incense. I think there's a ghost over there. I saw him. Yeah, there's definitely a ghost over there. So now that we have done all the preliminary steps, let's get on with the spooky part. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting one. Ooh, I found one. Okay. What is your name? He says his name is James. Oh, he's a nun. Sister James. Okay, Sister James, tell me, where is Elvis? Sister? Where is he? Do you know? How is he? Okay, James, you're no help at all. Just get out of here. Now that the nun is gone, let's try this again. Okay. Oh, I got one. Okay. She says her name is Meryl. Oh. She says the dingo got her baby. It's so sad. Okay, next. We're gonna try this one more time. Here we go. He's here. Elvis? Elvis? How are you, baby? Are you doing well? Elvis? How are you, baby? Elvis, thank you for stopping by. Means a lot. Okay. Bye, sweetie. Okay. Okay. We got him. We got him. We got him. Now don't forget to like this video and comment your favorite deli meat down below, and maybe Elvis will come bless you too. Alright, bye bye now. Peace and love.